Uyosiphethe kule people.
Yeah. Hey, mamela la Charles. Mamela futhi. Na kile ko sekolong aka lebala ntho ba ntutseng tsona ko sekolong. Next time la o phasa. So, in English grammar, there's no word that it's called I wanna. Is I want to in proper English, A grade.
Yeah.
So, but secret American, it's confidence. They've got confidence, these guys. These guys, they talk about money before they have money. They will tell you, I'm driving Ferrari. Atwa kumkhukhu kwa America. Kwase mbuzi kwa America una mkhukhu. Utengele mkhukhu. Mara strategy sabona, the confidence. We're taught how to speak by Maloney Smith and Sons and Love Life. High fit in South Africa. The WhatsApp Masego, the celebrity, bo mafigi solo. Or less the late, or less maada. Bar they will tell you about yourself. They will tell you how much you worked when I'm gari how to say you work guy. The American or shapaka confidence. I hold in English about buang Ki slang. It's an American slang. It's a street English.
Yeah.
Rona we speak proper.
Yeah.
Rona as South Africans. Mara we lack confidence. Right, so that is why it comes to your point where somewhere meles fage lapho nalapha hayi leyo lapho nalapho ayifuneki leyo. You need to be street. You must have a direct and say wafaka isiZulu ngemistake cut. Sesiqale emuva lento.
Mara njengoba yenye language vele ish. Konje makoko ti transuthi.
Yeah, mamela.
Come in Kero.
I'm a language advisor.
Yeah.
I'm a filming.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
I'm a dialogue expert.
Yeah.
So one day my producer challenges me.
Yeah.
I do soundtracks.
Yeah.
At Israel, I want translation of each and every track you wrote. So, you know what is the challenge? I get much of Kulova. Bune attitude yakona.
Yeah.
Deliverance yakona.
Yeah.
So, Mangiti, the question on Buzawaguti, now to Kokoti car.
Yeah.
Gumeleng in a sense of Nengam, Lameli understand the way Utaki I understand them. You need to find that way. Yeah, you need to find that way. So, he spans some the
Yeah. How much money?
Aye, Masang Fadil coffee.
Okay.
Grand. Yeah, I'm supposed to. So that's the challenge. In Venek.
Yeah.
I work in English.
Yeah. Cool.
You know why?
Why?
Because we are the only nation that has a limo. But Americans also do have a limo.
Okay.
You listen to their hip hop, I'm 50. I'm a rhyme swap. But a limo.
Yeah.
So don't feel intimidated if you write. But if you are an author, you have an authority to write from your perspective.
If you're an author,
And when as a reader, you will never question me, Uti. This phrase, Aiko or Recon, when your job is to read my book. That's it. You are not an author. I am the author. So that's my vision. It's my principal right to write in my own way as a writer. Now that's why today we are authors. But under the system, you can't write a book like this. You are supposed to go to university first to have a strength to write. No. Doesn't work like that. Intellectual right. It's my intellectual right as an author to write the way I want to. So I go explain housebreaking. What is housebreaking? Go explain a scene of crime. Okay. One person from the team must go check a certain house whether there are people or no people.
Yeah.
I guess so. When I write, I write through vision. I write like you see the movie. Oh, this is what happened. Oh, they jump the wall, they check, they open the main switch box, switch off the alarm, walk through the bathroom window, because the bathroom window is always available to be broken so that we can get in. We get in, we open. You know, if you are a writer, like a film writer, when you write, this is your desk, you write. There's a screen here.
Yeah.
You write what you see. 4 a.m. So this skill is a skill. But you need to be brave. You need to have courage.
Yeah.
Why the first time I write it now? Now I wrote a play. I know there's William Shakespeare, there's Gibson Kent, there's Ken Campbell, there's what. And then now I come from nowhere, I come from the street. I've never been school of writing. But life put me in a position where I have to write a play. Because I want to address a certain story to the people.
Yeah.
I wrote a play. I hated the play fellow. I want to say William Shakespeare, the dialogue, don't understand, you sleep in the theater. No, mina ngifuna ukubhala lento eyenzeke ekasi kushintshiza. Yeah. Eyami play ibhali yongena ngentshiza theater live. Ngifuna ukuye siqhuma yazi director
Bakaza.
time orikana ngibabona abantu babhale emhlabeni. Athi bona wena uhlwebo.
Ubhali feeling.
Athi phela wena kushaya ikway play. Athi ikway to play. Athi if check uyibhala live, what's the spelling side? Athi le gama likho leli. Even in the dictionary. Ngithi mara ngithi Alexander kunetabla.
Yeah.
So mele ngithi ngibhale letabla kuno lamajita agijime ngetabla. So angeke ngiba project ngobe sabaphila kula tabla. Mara Alexander tabla ikhona. Whether that word exists, ngithi okay yini tabla ngesilungu. Yeah. Itarafe, iphasishe no iphasishe kusitabla. Ngithi mele sibhale letabla. I-actor mayifunda ayibona ukuthi oh sishaya itabla before sizongena. So tabla sparapara.
Yeah.
Women explain sparapara in English ukuthi yini sparapara.
Stuff guide. Yeah.
I'm going back for Mankga. There's a lot of activities that we had which other nations don't have.
Yeah.
Into zengambla azazi ukuthi yini Skeem. Ngoba azikhulanga njengathi webhayimele sime emakhoneni for ukuthi uzozuzwa amarele wekara mele sisasteri. Ake kuneyikara endlini emabuso. Ubaba uyamthatha let's drive to the mall. Thina sifuna lawo marele siyome ekhoneni sibamba isigcini. Then Tina, we have that word. We don't care your nation doesn't have that word.
Yeah.
It's our content. So when I write, no dictionary.
Yeah. Yes, guys.
Yeah. Dictionary. You explain the dictionary before you get into the content. Good thing. What dictionary? We'll try to make one. And explain 10 different meanings. Uhlangane nelinye elizomina leli eqeda ukuminwa yileli. Yilingo ke lelo. Don't be surprised, and we can't apologize because your nation doesn't have a lingo. That's why we're writing this book so that you understand us. What are we talking about? Kunamagama uyawuzwa la kule gama leli. Amangamba lawanalo le gama.